Blue Ocean Sciences is a not-for-profit to address the needs of environmental contaminants in our world's oceans. We look at developing new technologies for environmental assessment and abatement of marine debris. We look at new educational materials. We look at communication strategies for scientists so we can disseminate accurate information to the general public and policymakers. The main takeaways I have from this conference is that we all have to put our egos at the door, sit down in a roundtable style, and really get to work. We have to listen to everyone, listen to everyone's comments. We don't have to agree with everybody, but we at least have to listen so we know all of the possible solutions for environmental contaminants, for problems with what we have with ocean sustainability, but we have to just communicate a little bit better as an ocean community. I think marine debris impacts every environmental issue from ocean acidification, ocean cycling systems, climate change, what we see with ingestion, environmental contaminants, you name it, it's got a role in it. It takes the average Joe making the individual choices to make those small lifestyle changes, to not use as much and to be a little healthier on the planet and live a little nicer. It takes policymakers to take the efforts to understand scientific research a little bit more. It takes scientists to step out of their labs and learn how to communicate a little bit better. It takes the efforts of marketing people to get the information out there in a way that everyone understands. It takes everyone from all walks of life working in the way that they work best to make an impact in our environment. When you think of the power of the individual, you have the power to make individual changes in your own life. Take, for instance, a plastic bag or a plastic water bottle. If you decide to make that lifestyle change to no longer use those products or to use them more lightly, you can make a huge impact on the environment. As a community or as a buddy system or as a worldwide community, we can make a massive impact if we all decide to take those individuals' life changes, take that stand, and reduce our consumption on those products. If anyone's seen a scientist, they know that normally we don't communicate well. So I think it's very important to give scientists every tool possible to communicate with both themselves and the general public, policymakers, and media.